Hello dear students, welcome back to the Farm Learning channel. Into this more another video on the filtration. Into this video I will try to discuss about one of the most widely used filters equipment, which is known as a filter, which is known as a plate and frame filter. The other name is known as a filter press, and it is very widely used in the pharmaceutical and other industries. So let's try to go into the details and try to understand how this filter press is work. For before going starting in the video, if you need any of the tutoring or the coaching help for any of the subject or any of the topic related to pharmaceutics and the pharmaceutical technology at the diploma degree or at the postgraduate level, please feel free to contact on my email, that is a farmlearning at the gmail.com, or you can reach me out at this WhatsApp number too. So the basic principle of the filtration equipment in this case is the filtration is carried out under the pressure. Basically, it's shown in the diagram. It consists of the alternate plates, that is the plate and the frames together, and the number of plates and the frames are arranged together into this particular series will be there. And so here it's you can show that the plates are there and the plate frame will be there. The plate basically it's covered inside with the filter medium, that's a filter cloth or the grade will be there, while the frames are going to be hollow in the nature. On the each of that, either on the bottom as well as on the diagonally, you are finding that the channel will be there either for the that is for the collection of that filtered as well as the filter cake. So basically the plates provide the support to the filter medium under the pressure. It has a narrow slit to allow the filter to pass through the membrane, while the flames provide a chamber that is present between the membrane and the plates into which the slurry is formed, and into which frames the filter cake is going to be accumulated. So how the filter place is going to work? So into which the slurry is going to be pumped through this particular filter place, and the solids are going to be evenly distributed. When the solids are built up in the filter cake, forming a filter cake will be there. The filtrate is coming out to the filter with the corner points and yielding a clean either filter water or the liquid will be there. Let's try to go into the more detail by this particular. So this is the plate will be there, into which it is shown like a octagonal filter medium will be there. So so the slurry is going to pump through this one here. This is the filter cake is going to be that is going to be form of the same shape, because here in between you are finding the frame like structure will be there, and the filtrate is going to be passed, that is a clear liquid is passing into the filter in the form of below, while what you can say that is the filter cake is coming out from the top. So that is at the diagonal. Let's try to understand more in detail by this particular cross-sectional view. So these are the green one, these are the plate will be there, in between these are the frames will be there. The slurry is going to be fed through the pump will be there, it is shown by the that's a green one, and the solids are going to be deposited in the frame, it is shown by the blue one, while the filter is coming out or collected from the top will be there. So the solids are built up into the chamber until the cycle is, that is they are completely chock or the full of the solids forming the cake, and once the chambers are full, the cycle is complete and the filter cake are ready to be released. Now let's try to understand this by this particular animation diagram. Into this animation diagram, it is shown over here. That is the exact unit which is present in the industry. That's a plate and the frame filter press will be there. So into this particular type, what you can say that one, these are the arrangement of the plate and the frame over here. Okay, so in this case, that is the end plate. Okay, the plate without any filter medium, then you are finding the filter medium will be there, and then it is followed by the filter plate will be there, then again the filter medium, and the frame will be there. So these are the arrangement of the alternate plate and the filter, and they are arranged and they are close together. And from the bottom, it is shown over here, the slurry is going to be pumped through in it, and when the slurry is going to be pumped through it, how the separation is going to be taking place, let's try to understand over here. So this is the filter plate will be there, the slurry is going to pump through over here, it is shown by the red arrow will be there. So as the slurry is pumped through here, it is going to pass into the space which is present between the plate and frame. Okay, and when it's going to pass through the present, and so it is going to be filtered out through that, so the solids are going to accumulate out by the clear liquid that's shown by that clear liquid that is in the form of filter is coming out by the that's shown by the blue arrow, it is from the other side, and the filter can be collected from the either the from the extreme sides over here. So this way you can separate the solids and the liquid. This process can be continuous until the entire amount of the solids are going to be there into this particular things. Let's try to understand what are the advantages will be there. Here we can make the plates and the frames with a variety of the material like that's a polypropylene, stainless steel, even the cast iron also. Yes, here the higher filtration efficiency because we can use a number of filter medium in the series. Okay, as well as because we can use the filter medium as a filter medium and to realize the ultra filtration also. The disadvantage will be that as it's a sequence of the plates and the frames, so what we can say the maintenance cost is going to high due to the wear and tear in the filter medium, and we require the larger flow surface area is required due to large number of the plates and the frames will be there. uh, if you like my video, please give it like to this video, and please subscribe to my pharma learning channel for more upcoming videos on the various topics related to the pharmacy. Thank you.